Kakunodate Sanso Wabizakura. Short, you can just call it Wabizakura, is a luxury ryokan, hot springs, onsen ryokan, in Kakunodate, which is a old samurai district in Senboku of Akita Prefecture, which is in the Tohoku region of the main island of Honshu, so the northern part of the main island of Japan. And so this is Wabizakura, luxury onsen ryokan, very small boutique with just 10 rooms. And so this is called Naotake, and there are this is designated as a royal suite. And so there's 2 of these rooms. They have a private dining area. So if you book Shozan or Naotake, which is this one, you can dine in your own room, or you can be served meals in your own room. Otherwise, the other 8 rooms you dine in the main restaurant. This is the bathroom, or the toilet, I should say, in the sink. So you see here, there's 2 sliding doors. So let's go right. Start over here. And in Japanese, this room category is called Dining Tsuki Wayoshitsu, means Japanese Western suite with a dining area. So this is where meals are served, Western style. And this is the decor. So over here is the mini bar. And then you can have a better view of this whole thing area. Okay, I'll show the chandelier up here. So this is the Western aspect of the Western style. Looking outside, nothing but nature in this region of Akita. And Akita Prefecture is, yeah, you guessed it, the dog Akita comes from Akita Prefecture. So over here, there's a little sitting area, and this is the Japanese area, because this is where you sit. And then there's a wall painting with my mirrorless camera. And then there is the bedroom. And turning around. Have another view of the sitting area. TV. Cylindrical light. Here. And then, as I said earlier, this is a hot springs inn. They have a bath, outdoor bath you can actually rent for free for people who stay here. First come, well, you can reserve, but first reserve, first served. So we have a reservation for later this afternoon. There's a closet here. But anyways, so coming over here. And here is the onsen bath. In Japanese, they say kakenagashi. Kakenagashi means free-flowing, not recirculated. So in other words, they get the hot onsen straight from the source, and it is not recirculated. So there's constant new hot springs water being pumped into this bath from where you can see here. This is where it comes from. It gets cooled a little bit here, and then it gets fed into this bath. So anyways, this is the room is called Naotake, which is one of the 2 royal suites with a dining area, with a private dining room where you can get meals served in the room. It's about 81 square meters of total living space. Yeah, it's a good place to relax. Fortunately, we missed it. We're missing the cherry blossom blooming, which isn't going to happen for another 12 days or so. But hey, there's always next time. But this appears to be a good place to stay. Wabizakura in Akita.